What's up guys, Jacob Rothenberg here, and in today's video I actually want to bring up a piece of news that's actually been out for 3 weeks, but I don't really get news right as it comes along, so this is a few weeks old. But what I just kind of found out, albeit I'm a little late, is that the rapper Soulja Boy released game consoles that could emulate Nintendo titles. And now Nintendo is going really hardcore on copyright trademark infringers for their properties. So, I'm not gonna recite the whole article, but Soulja Boy came out with some Chinese-made emulators that could be put onto devices, and he was saying it could emulate several different consoles. And what he said on Twitter is that for anyone that thinks Nintendo is gonna sue me, you're retarded. And Nintendo actually did threaten him, and he got off the market with his Nintendo consoles. So, guys, don't mess with these video game companies when it comes to trademark infringing. What's actually funny, too, is that I could pull up Soulja Boy right now with Nintendo, and what comes up instead is now, the news that's just been out recently is now, he said his next console will feature Fortnite, and Epic Games now has their guard up for trademark infringers. So, like I said, guys, if you know anyone who has Nintendo books, if you know anyone who has Fortnite books, please do them a favor, tell them to get their books off of Amazon, or for any trademark infringing content of that matter, whether it's Red Dead Redemption, even if it's Instant Pot, guys, you got to know what's really trademarked. Be careful. Yes, hey, I know firsthand it's easy money, but if you are doing this at a semi-serious level, if you're doing this to where you need your Amazon account intact, you can't risk losing it, don't mess with these copyrighted keywords, guys. It's just not worth the headache. Like I said, ever since I've done this full time, I pulled out of everything that could, get my account busted. I just threw it away. It's not worth it. So, I listened to the heat of the call that, that these gaming companies are cracking down. I mean, they honestly are. I can't make this news up. It's from 3 weeks ago. It's from 3 weeks ago. And so Nintendo's got the crackdown. And they've also got a really extensive page on reporting copyright infringement. So, if you've been seeing content that's counterfeit or that's just a violation of their intellectual property rights, what you can do is you can actually contact Nintendo and report it at NOA Legal at noa.nintendo.com, or you can call 1-800-255-3700. Anyway, what I really wanted to talk about too is, guys, if you haven't already heard, if you haven't already joined the Publishing Evolution, it is my entirely free course on how to make money with Kindle publishing, with everything white hat marketing related to getting your books promoted, building a brand. It's seriously free. You literally click this button and you get to join the course. And with that course too, you get access to our free Facebook group. We're 365 members strong. Guys, if you haven't heard the news already, we just need 135 more members, 500 members in total, to release the fiction course you've been waiting for. So, we're going strong, guys. Our kingdom is now 365 members strong. We need just 135 more, and we'll get that fiction course out. So, again, refer your friends, people who want to make money online, at thepublishingevolution.com. Literally, the course is free. Everyone can tell you that the course is free. Aside from one course that I upsell, there's pretty much no other upsells. Just saying. And obviously the Facebook group is entirely free, and you get a link to it once you join the course. So please, all I'm asking, guys, there's no hidden tricks here. My real intent is just to grow the biggest Kindle community of just like-minded publishers. I want to just help facilitate growing the kingdom, having really cool people in the group, just sharing great knowledge and insights, and getting the right kind of help for their content for Kindle publishing and getting it done the right way. So please, all I'm asking is that we get the evolution growing and get it to be the biggest Kindle community of all time for publishing. So that's all I got to say, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Keep publishing, and I'll see you later.